beautiful people all over Ohio or all over America. Good morning and happiest Thursday, December the 18th. Yes, she's coming back with another one. So guys, here is my Zara sweater. I'm just showing y'all my outfit of the day. I have on my balloon jeans, you can see, with the Zara sweater. Looking pretty spiffy, got on those boots. Yeah, so you know, and the hair is giving. I keep telling y'all, you have to wait on it. You have to wait for it to lay right and do what you want it to do. So I think today it is doing what I want it to do. Let me give y'all another look at the outfit. Yes, ma'am. Thrifted, everything. Thrifted in bins is the way to go. If you want to save some coins, I'll see you guys in a minute. Let me show y'all something. Now, my daughter gave me this bag. It has gifts in it, right? So I'm gonna take the gift. What I'm gonna do to y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Even though I don't celebrate it, I'm gonna show y'all what was given to me. And it's funny because it's things that she know I use and I like. So when somebody asks you, what do you want? Then you know. So I'm gonna put her gift in this bag, okay? That's that. And I'll see you in a few. Do y'all see this? Look at this big ASS Danish. Somebody gave me this. Do y'all look at this? Hold on. I know I'm driving, y'all. Look at that. Let me hold it like that. Good morning to you. Today is a good day. Bye. Oh baby, I love the way you smile at me. I'm like, where's my phone, y'all? My phone is in my hand. That'd be so hilarious. Let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, let's go. It ain't that bad today. It's like 30-something degrees. I'll check back in with y'all. Let's go, let's go. Guys, I'm showing y'all my first house I ever purchased in my life. We pulling up on it. I just want to give y'all a little throwback, a part of my life. Simply Natural Black Lives, her first home. Yes, ma'am, this was my first house, y'all. Right here. Absolutely love it. Right here was my family room. That was my bedroom. This was the part of the dining room. Up here was a bedroom. And go back was the kitchen. So, yeah, guys. All right. Bye. I'm gonna miss you.
Trying to trick my mind frame. You block me, I won't call you back. I promise it's just a month thing. Hit the gas, you hear that wine, ain't it?
I'm gonna get that get back. Father, can you help me? Yeah. Hey y'all, I am finally glad to be home. home. It's about 5:56 on Thursday, and I'm super tired. I went to Aldi's on my way home from work and got a few things. I got me some almond milk. I'll put it up because you know how it is with perishables. I still got some almond milk left. I still got some of the Trader Joe's almond milk. So I'll put that up behind it. So I know to finish that. And yeah guys, I had an interesting day. And then y'all, these little bags from Target are amazing. I'm gonna show you what I hold in this little bag. Ain't these cute? Little canvas bags. So I took the boxes out of these little cereal bars. I took them out the box and just put them in here, so I don't have to tote that box home. So I'll just put these like in that thing in the pantry. So yeah guys. So let me put this stuff back. Let me put this stuff up and come back. Got some apples because my fruit bowl is disappearing. So that's all I got, y'all. Yep, so I'll call y'all right back. All right, guys, we're gonna end out this vlog. I'm not trying to go over a minute here, but I just wanna thank you all for watching my videos, loving on me, leaving me comments. This Vlogmas thing is hard. So I don't know what tomorrow's video is gonna be. I know I have to get an oil change in the morning. I actually went over my mileages. Almost 1,000 miles. But I'm gonna say I'm 20 miles I would have been over. But I think you can do that sometimes. I always get an oil change. But other than that, y'all, I'm having salad for dinner. Y'all probably like, Sonia, that's all you eat is salad? No, it's just something it's convenient to make and it's easy. So that is what I'm having. It's purple onions, it's jalapeno cheese, vegan jalapeno cheese, spinach and that spring mix, basil. What else is that? Basil. It's another green one, y'all. Oregano, black olives, and that dressing, that vinegar red like dressing. So, and then I gotta finish my water. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up on some videos, some of y'all's videos and everything. And I'm gonna close out this video. So thanks for hanging out with me for Vlogmas Day 15. I hope you guys enjoyed the lights and the festivities in my city, town. Well, it's far from me, but just, I hope you enjoyed it. So y'all, I'm gonna end out this video with saying, love yourself, okay? Love yourself enough so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.